Hi, this is Ayushmann Khurrana and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
We have with us Ayushmann Khurrana. Dream Girl is coming. He's just won a national award. He's just had a movie called Article 15, which has left everyone stunned. And there's so much that he's doing that it's very difficult to just encompass everything. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
क्या आप कर रहे हो आजकल? That you become like a superhuman or what?
Nothing like
how
that.
Can you manage?
Just following my heart and following something which my intuition says कि चलो कर लेते हैं, मजेदार है.
And Dream Girl, the moment the promo came and everyone is loving it. There's so much that people have not seen. So this is, you've told me before that it's a conscious decision that you don't want to repeat yourself. You want to come up with something which is novel. But how do you get that idea, that intuition that this is something which is different, which is going to work?
It comes with the script, I guess. Like it's both ways. Like novel scripts get attracted to me, and I get attracted to novel scripts. And Raj Chandile, when he gave this narration to me, it was so elaborate and beautiful and so funny. So it was like a no-brainer कि हाँ यार ये तो करना ही है. बहुत मजेदार narration थी. And at the same time, I could say that this is probably it is my most commercial film. क्योंकि इसकी tonality मेरी बाकी फिल्मों से बहुत अलग है. It's very different as far as क्योंकि ये वो फिल्म मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि यार दिमाग घर पे छोड़ के आओ, बस हंसो. So ये मैंने पहले कभी बोला नहीं है. So it's that film.
Raj Chandile is a writer as well, and you're someone who I think takes a lot of seriousness about the writing part of it, because screenplay is something which is very, very crucial. So when he narrated for the first time, did you visualize it? Did you hear the sound of Pooja?
He's a brilliant narrator. हाँ, वो लड़की की आवाज़ नहीं उन्होंने बताई थी मुझे, but as a narrator he's brilliant. He's a great writer. This is his first film as a director. पर कोई भी इंसान उनकी नरेशन सुनेगा तो फिल्म मना नहीं कर सकता. He's so good with that. And मुझे लगा इसकी खुद की वॉइस इतनी अगर convincing है, then he could be a great director if like we paired him with a great technical team. So that's what he did with Balaji. So it was good fun.
While you were listening to the script, could you imagine that how the reaction will be of the people in the theatres? Because I think at least from the promo we can gauge that there are several lines that people will freak out in the theatres.
Yeah, I could imagine. Of course, I could imagine this kind of reaction, and that was my motivation to do a film like this. क्योंकि मेरे लिए होता है कि कुछ अलग हो, कुछ डिफरेंट हो, कि लोगों को मज़ा आना चाहिए, कुछ अलग दिखना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स माय एस्पिरेशन टू ड्रीम गर्ल कि ये एटलीस्ट सिंगल स्क्रीन तक पहुंचनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये इसमें वो कैपेबिलिटी है, गानों में वो कैपेबिलिटी है, थोड़े बड़े गाने शूट किए हैं. एंड इट्स माय वे ऑफ रीचिंग आउट टू बिगर ऑडियंस, सो दैट मैं और आर्टिकल 15 जैसी फिल्में करता रहूँ.
बिल्कुल. हैव यू संग एनी ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स?
अभी तक तो नहीं गाया. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग टाइम टू सिंग इन फैक्ट.
But you
so
may.
I may sing, yeah.
Nusrat Bharuch, was experience working with that?
She's a very natural actor, and of course perspective मेरे character से है, पूजा के character से है, and he's the one who makes people fall in love with his/her voice. And Nusrat Bharuch is a love interest in the film, and she brings that spunk to the film. जो love track तो वही है, नुसरत के साथ है. But it's mostly about this guy and where he deals with the situation. कि इतने सारे lovers आ गए हैं इसकी life में और वो खुद लड़की नहीं है, लड़का है. So that's the whole funny part of it.
Ensemble Starcast, you've always been someone who loves to give space to your actors. I told Anubhav sir after Article 15 that the way he does it, I think it's amazing. Zishan, I think he flowers. Everyone flowers. We are seeing that similar sort of thing in Dream Girl as well. So how crucial is the ensemble star cast?
It's very important. I think you have to be one with the milieu to begin with, and if you get characters from that part of the country, it only adds to the flavor of the script and the film. It really helps the film overall. There's no point being selfish and just it depends on the script. In fact, अगर स्क्रिप्ट में जगह है आपके लिए, एक एल्बो रूम होता है हर एक एक्टर के लिए, जितना मिल सके उतना अच्छा है, लेकिन it should not go beyond the realm of the script. And that's what has happened with every film, with Article 15 and Dream Girl also.
It's being said that you're the new Akshay Kumar, because script, then you're giving like 30-35 days to a project. You're just shooting them on the trot, wrapping them up, moving on to the next one. Because I think that's what is happening. Article 15, you did something
nobody
similar.
Like him. Akshay Kumar sir is there, right there.
But this year at least, this is what is happening with you.
As far as, in fact, I met him during the screening of Khandani Shafa Khana. He's like, लगे रहे ऐसे लग रहे. So वो he was like हाँ करते रहे ऐसी फिल्म 3 दिन. मैंने कहा सर पहली बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. Normally I just do 1 film or 2 films a year, but this is a unique year for me because I'm getting good scripts. Otherwise ऐसा नहीं है कि I have to do like 3 films or something like that. I take my own time and I want to relax and do my music also at the same time. Music करने का time अभी नहीं मिल रहा है. So as of now my slate for next year is also ready almost. Like next year Gulabo Se Tabo and Shubmangal Za Savdhan will be coming out. So 2 films are ready for next year. Like अब जाऊँगा Shubmangal Savdhan के लिए. But there's no aspiration like that I have to shoot multiple films.
The National Award for Andhadhun. How crucial is this milestone in your career?
You know, when you aspire and probably when you do a film thinking about a national award or an award, you don't get an award. Like in the first film, I was like just like an excited child in a candy bar that, you know, I want all the awards and everything. I didn't get an award for that, like national award for that, got the best debut for sure. But after that, I was like, let's not go in a project with that agenda. So I was not thinking about it, but I'm glad I got it. So it's beautiful.
The journey continues because this movie, I think, has its own journey because be it China, be it India, be it the national award now, it's something that it's becoming bigger and bigger with the days go by. And I've spoken to so many people within the industry, and so many people have said that Andhadhun is one film that they're really freaked out on. A lot of them. So when something of this sort happens, do you feel that all the efforts that you put in and the entire team has put in, just they're fruitful?
You know, when we were shooting for Andhadhun, we took a year to shoot this film because we were shooting this film in patches, like 10 दिन, फिर 15 दिन, फिर 2 महीने का gap, फिर 10 दिन. So we completed this film in a year because Radhika was busy, Tabu ma'am was busy, I was busy. But the results are phenomenal. Like we never thought that it'll clock such a big number, especially overseas. Even in India, like I had a certain figure in mind, it doubled whatever we achieved at the box office in India. And China was phenomenal. I could not just go and just, you know, see how people feel and react to me being there. I really want to go there because that's never happened to me. उसके लिए time ही नहीं मिल रहा. But it's also beautiful. Like I think Sriram Raghavan is a legend, and his thought process is very contemporary. Though he's like 50 plus, but he thinks like a 25-year-old, which is great. And he doesn't take himself very seriously. So that's the best part about him, and it's all him, I think, and the entire team.
Okay, the box office success that you're enjoying, 6 back-to-back successes at the box office and taking the difficult path. Even Andhadhun, I think, started at a lower note. I think 4 crore plus something. It started off the first day.
Less than that.
Yeah, for something like that.
Yeah.
And then more than 90 crores after that. And similarly with Article 15, started on a lower note, kept on building. So it's not an easy path that you're taking.
So Article still had a decent opening. Andhadhun had a low opening. But yeah, that's the fun of the entire thing. Like if you will tread the territory which others have treaded, what's the fun in that? Because I think I've made it into my USP that I should do films which are difficult, which other people may say, other actors may say no to and find it like very difficult to do that character or say yes to that script. So I love to take challenges. But at the same time, I need to strike that balance between my staple films, like the slice of life comedies, like Shubh Mangal or Vicky Dona or now Bala, and then go slightly off track with Article 15 and Andhadhun. So the success of my staple films gives me the courage to do films like Andhadhun and Article 15. More so Article 15 because it's not a comedy film. Andhadhun was still a dark humor, but Article 15 was very special because I was not doing it with an agenda of clocking certain number at the box office.
Then the sort of criticism that came your way from certain quarters and the threats that came your way, your director's way, is that intimidating?
It really depends, I think. Like, I think I'm quite fearless as an artist. Like, if I have a conviction on some subject, then I'll go ahead with it. If I know in my heart that I'm right, then I'm fearless. I think you become slightly fearful when you think that you're not right. And I think it was a balanced film. It was quite a balanced film. When you see the film, you don't see that the director or the actor is trying to antagonize anybody. It just shows the truth and wants to do something for the society and for the betterment of the nation.
What's the mind space like when you're doing like a full-on masala commercial film like a Dream Girl, and you know that people will have a great time in the theaters and popcorn and
Yeah.
family and Coca-Cola, and after that they'll go back home and then Article 15, and you make them think. There's a poetry of Pash, Dalit poetry. It's like,
Yeah.
how many roads must a man walk down? So obviously it's a film that will make you think, and so which is easier, which is something that you find more
So
fascinating.
it's more fascinating is definitely films which are off center, something like Article 15, because it is nobody's done that in the past in the mainstream Indian cinema. But even a masala film like Dreamgirl, which is like technically my first masala film, I would love to say that. That's also fun because I've grown up watching these films, and I always want to do something like that. Like with Article 15, just need to take care of a certain like budgeting, for example. You don't overcoat yourself, or maybe you don't in terms of remuneration. But with masala films, you can be yourself, and you can. But at the same time, you need to take care of the budget for the song sequences. Like we are shooting big songs in Dreamgirl, Beed Radhe Radhe, or the song we shot yesterday, Lagala Lagli Gala. So I think you don't think before spending on those songs because you know the returns are going to be great, and these songs are going to create buzz for the film. So both are equally exciting, but more fascinating, of course, the other side.
Talking about the remuneration part, there are reports that you've just pushed up your price by many notches for ads as well as.
I don't know. I think your market price will also only depend on the success you're having at the box office. It's not wise to discuss it openly at the same time. Like माँ बाप जो घर में बोलते हैं ना कि कभी भी अपनी सैलरी नहीं बतानी चाहिए, कितना कमाते हो नहीं बताना चाहिए. तो मैं उस बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ. So I think there's no point discussing about it. So whatever I deserve, I'll get.
For Dreamgirl, are you looking at the trajectory of something like a Stree, for example, like 100 crore and great opening, and is that
I'm
something
expecting a good opening for sure. अब पता नहीं आगे कितना जाती है, depending on the releases that we're having or the windows that we have during the release. But I'm sure we'll get a decent, good opening, and it could be my biggest opener. I don't know. Touch wood.
आपके बातों से इसी का अंदाजा हो रहा है कि that this is something that you're hoping for, and we hope for
I
that
just
as
hope
well.
that people find it funny and they connect to it. Fingers crossed. But it'll have a great opening.
How important are the lyrics of How Many Roads Must a Man Walk Down? Yeah. Are you a Bob Dylan fan?
I was okay. I was aware of this song, but I became a fan after doing Article 15. The way it started.
You listen to
And
more
it
of the
was-
songs? Okay.
I'd only listen to this song now. But at the same time, I was really shocked when we got this song for the film.
Even I was. I mean, when I
In
heard
this
it
day
in
and
the
age, when you are asking for like the rights and everything, IP and stuff like that, and how Anubhav sir pulled it off, it's unbelievable. I was like, आप भूल जाओ, एक नया गाना बना लो. ये तो सोचो भी मत. हमारी फिल्म का बजट अलग और गाने का बजट अलग, इसके राइट्स का. But I'm glad that happened. That guy is brilliant.
Rapid Fire with Ayushmann Khurrana. Okay, what would Pooja do if she meets following characters? Lakshmi Godbole, that is Kamal Hassan from Chachi 420.
I love competition. I don't know. ये बोलेगा, of course. Lakshmi Godbole is like big competition for Pooja. Yeah.
Okay, and if she meets Vicky from Vicky Dona.
पूजा will be happy for sure. I think विकी डोनर पूजा की बहुत बनेगी और 10-10 घंटे फोन पे बात हो सकती है आराम से.
Okay, and if she meets Mudit from Shubh Mangal Savdhan.
उसको बहुत ज़रूरत है पूजा की. So I think Mudit needs some bucking up, and Pooja will definitely help Mudit do that.
Okay, if Pooja in Dreamgirl wakes up next to a guy she was stalking on phone, what would be her first reaction?
Pooja is a guy, so
Yeah, it
first
is.
reaction.
What would be his reaction?
Pooja will run away. I think वो दूसरा लड़का पहचान ही नहीं पाएगा ना उसको कि ये लड़का है कि जिसने उसको फोन किया है.
Okay.
So there is one situation in the film like that. I should just tell you. And उसमें वो एक लड़के को मिलता है और बोलता है पूजा मेरी बहन है उसे दूर रहना. So तो खुद ही पूजा बनाओ, खुद पूजा का भाई बनाओ. So it was like quite confusing and funny in the film.
Okay, if you could turn yourself into a woman for a day, what 3 things you'd want to do that day?
I'd probably feel myself. I don't know what to do. Make love to myself.
Okay,
And third would be दो ही काफी है वैसे. हाँ.
okay, what was the toughest part in playing Pooja apart from voice modulation?
Toughest part. you know, voice modulation is one. Second is just to sound legit as a girl, and also seductive enough and endearing enough. It's very difficult to pull that character off because it could be cheesy also at the same time.
Right, that's
You're treading that thin line.
If Pooja calls following people and she has to impress them or grab their attention with her first line only, what would she say to Ayushmann Khurrana?
क्या मिलेगा तुम्हें ऐसी अलग अलग चीजें करके? हमारे साथ भी कुछ अलग करो ना. I don't know what to say.
Shah Rukh Khan.
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. चलो बड़ी बात करते हैं.
Salman Khan.
पूजा तो प्रपोज कर देगी सलमान
जी.
खान से. Will you marry me? I don't know, yeah, maybe.
Something of that sort? Okay.
Of that sort, yeah.
Which Bollywood actress would Pooja call to take some lessons on how to bring sweetness in voice?
Which Bollywood actress? अच्छा. I think Rani Mukherjee's husk.
Okay.
And Tabbu ma'am's voice also. I really love her voice.
All right. How to sound shy?
How to sound shy?
Yeah. Which actress?
I think Manisha Koirala.
All right. How to sound confident and sultry?
Confident and sultry. Sushmita Sen.
If you were a dessert, what would you be?
Listen, I hate Rasmalai, but I would love to be Rasmalai because Pooja is like Rasmalai.
If you could date a woman from the bygone times, who would it be?
Are you talking about Pooja or me? I'm confused.
No, if you this is now about
It's me.
you. Pooja is done. Pooja is
Acha.
done. Yeah, this is about you.
हाँ.
If you could date a woman from the bygone times, who would that be?
Audrey Hepburn. Indian?
No, it can be anyone.
Yeah, Audrey Hepburn is fine.
Which celebrity would you rate as perfect 10?
Roger Federer.
Roger Federer.
Yeah.
All right. So, Ayushmann Khurrana, wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much,
And
sir.
congratulations
Thank you.
for whatever is happening. Good for you. And all the best wishes for Dream Girl and everything else that you'll be doing very soon. Thank you so much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Ayushmann Khurrana and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.